Are you ready to explore the world of real estate investment trusts? Welcome to Business Mind. In today's video, we will unravel the intricate landscape of REITs, shedding light on this investment vehicle's diverse types, workings, benefits, risks, and how to navigate this realm effectively. Before we start, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below to notify you on our next Business Mind updates. REITs. Now, what is a REIT? A real estate investment trust is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing real estate. Functioning like a mutual fund, REITs allow individuals to invest in portfolios of real estate assets managed professionally. They typically specialize in various property types such as residential, commercial, or specialized sectors like data centers or healthcare facilities. To qualify as a REIT, companies must adhere to specific criteria outlined by Congress, such as investing a significant portion of assets in real estate and distributing at least 90% of taxable income to shareholders as dividends. REITs offer investors an opportunity to gain exposure to real estate markets without directly owning properties, providing potential dividends and the prospect of capital appreciation. Equity REITs. All right, let's dive into the diverse world of equity REITs. These types of REITs are like the backbone of the real estate investment trust family. They're the go-to for owning and managing different income-producing properties. And boy, do they come in various flavors. First up, we've got retail REITs. They're the ones who deal with shopping centers, malls, basically any place you'd go to shop until you drop. These REITs invest in retail properties, providing spaces for businesses to set up shop and cater to our shopping cravings. Then, there are residential REITs. These folks are all about the places we call home. They specialize in residential properties, whether it's apartment complexes for city dwellers, single-family homes for suburban living, or even student housing for those hitting the books. Next on the list, lodging and resort REITs. They're in charge of those fabulous hotels and resorts we escape to for vacations or business trips. Think about your favorite getaway spots. Chances are, these REITs might have a hand in managing them. Last, but definitely not least, timberland REITs. These are the ones who handle the trees and forests. They specialize in owning and managing timberland for harvesting and selling timber, a critical part of the real estate world that's often underappreciated. Each of these REIT types has its own unique role in the real estate market, offering investors various ways to tap into different sectors and niches. So, whether it's the place you call home, the shop you frequent, or the data that zips through the internet, there's a good chance a REIT somewhere is behind it, making it all happen. Mortgage REITs. Now buckle up for a different kind of REIT adventure with mortgage REITs, also known as MREITs. These REITs don't own properties like equity REITs do. Instead, they're all about the mortgage game. You know, dealing with home loans and mortgage-backed securities. These MREITs have a pretty nifty trick up their sleeve to make money. They borrow cash at lower interest rates and then turn around and invest that borrowed money into higher-yielding mortgages or mortgage-backed securities. They make their dough from the difference in interest rates, known as the interest rate spread. Additionally, within the mortgage REIT world, there are a few subcategories. First up, we've got agency REITs. These folks deal with mortgages backed by government-sponsored entities like Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, or Ginnie Mae. These government-backed mortgages often come with a bit more security since they have Uncle Sam's stamp of approval. Then there are non-agency MREITs. These guys take a different route and invest in mortgages that aren't backed by the government. They might involve a bit more risk, but hey, with risk comes potential for higher rewards, right? Last but not least, say hello to commercial MREITs. These players focus on commercial real estate mortgages. They're the ones financing properties like office buildings, shopping centers, and other commercial spaces. Mortgage REITs operate in a different world compared to their property-owning cousins. Instead of being landlords or property managers, they're more like financial wizards, playing the game of interest rates and investments to make a profit. So, while equity REITs are busy managing buildings and properties, mortgage REITs are in the mortgage and finance playground, hustling to make money from the ebb and flow of interest rates and mortgage deals. It's a whole different ballgame, but equally fascinating in the world of real estate investments. Are you here for financial success? The path to it is full of challenges, but don't worry, Businessmind is here to help you dream big and achieve bigger. Check the links below and who knows, your success might just be one click away. Diversified REITs. Next up, meet diversified REITs. These REITs are not picky. They're all about variety, offering investors a mixed bag of property types to spice up their investment portfolio. Why are they so cool? Well, they bring diversification to the table. Instead of putting all your real estate eggs in one basket, say just residential or commercial properties, these REITs spread the love. They invest in a mix of property types, from retail to residential, industrial, office spaces, you name it. Think of it as having a real estate buffet. You're not just stuck with one dish, you've got a variety to choose from. And why is that a good thing? Because different sectors of the real estate market don't always move in sync. When one sector's down, another might be up, helping balance things out. So, if you're someone who likes options and wants to spread the risk, while still reaping the benefits of real estate, diversified REITs might just be your ticket to a well-rounded real estate investment portfolio. Specialty REITs. Now, it's time to make things special with the specialty REITs. These REITs don't follow the crowd. They're the rebels carving their own path in unique and niche areas that don't fit into the usual real estate categories. Think about it. While most REITs focus on more familiar stuff like shopping malls or office buildings, specialty REITs are like the Mavericks. They specialize in things that might make you go. For instance, there are advertising real estate providers. Ever seen those big flashy billboards or digital screens on the streets? Yep, those could be the work of a specialty REIT. Then, there are agricultural REITs, leasing land to farmers. They're in the business of managing farmland for those who till the soil. These REITs bring a whole new flavor to the table, diving into unique sectors that might not get as much attention. They're like the hidden gems of the real estate investment world, carving their own niche and offering investors something different to consider for their portfolios. REIT investment options. Let's break down the different ways you can get in on the REIT action. First off, we've got the publicly traded REITs. These bad boys are out there in the stock market wilds, listed on major exchanges like the NYSE or NASDAQ. Just like buying or selling your favorite company's stock, you can snap up shares of these REITs with a few clicks on your brokerage account. On the flip side, we've got the private REITs. They're a bit more exclusive. These aren't on the public exchanges, so they're less accessible to everyday investors. They're more for the big players. Think institutional investors or those accredited individuals with some serious financial mojo. But hold on, there's another option in the mix: REIT or mutual funds. Now, these are like the passive income of REIT investing. They pool money from investors to buy a whole bunch of REIT stocks, offering you a piece of the pie without the hassle of picking individual REITs. Plus, they give you that sweet diversification, spreading your investment across a basket of REITs, making life a bit easier for the savvy investor looking for a piece of the real estate action. Now, are you ready to step into the fascinating world of real estate investment trusts? Join Businessmind, where big dreams become even bigger achievements. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below for more empowering content to elevate your business journey. Dream big, work hard, and see success beyond your expectations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Business Mind, signing off.